Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to the trading journey. This is Santosh Kumar Gattagoni. I just wrote these notes for this video. I will just read it out. So, I thought, what is there a need to make a video when I'm not making any money and losing money by hitting stop losses? And also, nobody is watching anyway. But I think I am wrong. It is exactly that which I need to document the reality. How I was losing money through hitting stop losses almost every day. Finally, I decided to stop trading for a while and put that money in liquid funds like fixed deposits until I see good opportunities in the market. The market should present me the opportunities. So what was I doing then? I was buying every day and the market was cracking down every day. Obviously, that's the recipe for losing money quickly. The best thing I have done through the entire process was I sized down the risk for my trades when I was losing money. For example, I usually risk like 0.5% of my trading capital on any given trade. Okay, the trading capital is 30 lakhs. 0.5% of that is 15,000 rupees risk for any trade. So as I was losing money, I sized down. Next photo. So 15,000 to 7,500 rupees risk. I was losing money there. I sized down to 4,000 rupees risk. I was losing money again. So I sized it down to 3,000, 2,000, 1,000. I even traded with 500 rupees risk. Like imagine this concept, guys. Somebody comes to you and tells you, "Hey, you know, I'm going to manage your money. I'm going to double it, triple it." Would you be confident to give him the money? Obviously no. You know, you can't give all of your money to him. But at the same time, you cannot ignore that opportunity as well. So what you can actually do is just give him some small money. I mean literally so small that it doesn't matter if you lose. I mean, so you give your money to your friend, okay? He loses that money and he comes to you again and tells you, "Hey, give me more money, man. I'm going to double your money." Now, would you be confident to give him more money? Obviously, no. So, think that friend. So, this is the thing I want to do going ahead in my trading journey. So, if I am losing money, I want to give myself lesser money on the next trades. That way, it could, that way, when I'm losing money, I control my losses. I don't want to keep losing more. I The first and foremost important thing is to protect the trading capital at any cost. Forget about the returns. Returns will come once I have the skill. Once I have the skill set to make money, the money will pour in anyway. But through the entire journey, we need to protect the trading capital. That's why Warren Buffett says rule number one, don't lose money. Rule number two, don't forget rule number one. I mean, when I heard this in 2012, 13, I mean, I was like, what the hell is he talking about? The richest man in the world. Don't lose money. He- Come on, man. Tell me how to make money, not how to not lose money. I mean, it's such a profound principle, profound rule that, you know, everything lies in that one line. Don't lose money. Doesn't matter how good of a trading strategy we have, doesn't matter how how good a market is. If we don't have money, we can't do anything. We'll be out of the business. So when we are losing money, m- doesn't matter if the market is bad or if we are making mistakes after mistakes, whatever may be the reason, I want to reduce risk. That's it. That's my first job going ahead in this trading journey. All right. Got carried away. Let's get back to our notes. That means So I was risking just 500 rupees on any trade. If I lost that trade, I only lost like 500 rupees. That means if I lost even 10 trades in a row, I would only lose 5,000 rupees, which is a very tiny fraction of 30 lakhs. In retrospect, I should not have traded anything at all. I should have just kept quiet, go on a vacation or do watch some movies, on Amazon Prime, Netflix, whatever. But hey, the scratch is for real. We have to have the first hand experience as how it is to trade, especially on the buy side in a market which is one, volatile, two, downtrending day, every single day almost. And then the Trump factor, he would just come out and say boom, we are bombing Iran, and next day he comes, I'm giving them the timeline, whatever. The market would just swing like crazy, and in the stop losses are like nothing in that kind of a market. So that's why the greats like Kualamagi, Oliver Kell, Mark Minervini, they all said the same thing. They're all swing trading gurus, positional trading gurus. You know, they have said the same thing. When the market is not favorable, when you are losing money, especially you are losing money trade after trade, then you should become very careful. You should, size down on your trades, reduce risk, or even better, go to complete cash until you regain confidence and the market is, market becomes favorable. What does the market becomes favorable means? Okay, so i I went to liquid funds. Okay, which means like fixed deposit. I put the money in fixed deposits until very recently, when the market turned almost a v-shaped recovery, like it's going up uh, almost every single day now. So when the market started going up, I still did not believe it. It could fall any day. But then finally, um, after like 3 or 4 days of going up, when it broke the double bottom swing high, um, then I thought, oh my, I think we are at the start of the, I don't know, but this market has gotten some strength now. And I went to see the opportunities in the market. Okay, some good stocks. Okay, and then they started flying. So the trading capital is 30 lakhs, out of which I took 10 lakhs and put that money in this good stocks, and boom, the next day profits, and after that profits again. 30 lakhs, I mean, I think I gained around 50 to 60,000 rupees in the last 1 week. So a period of doing nothing followed by boom. I mean, I could have lost money too, but it goes on to tell you how good, I mean, the power of doing nothing and the power of investing in good market conditions. Yeah. uh, I We never know, anything can happen at any point of time. The next week the market might crack down again, in which case, you know I'm going to hit the stop losses again. um, or I might have to come out of all the existing positions at break even, which means almost all the gains which I have made will be evaporated, and that's okay. That's the risk of being in equities, which I am accepting. And if the market starts going down again, I will go into fixed deposits again. Yeah. So I tried buying in a market which was coming down, and I understood how tough it is. So the lesson is learned. All right, now where is my account now? Where is my account now? It is 30 lakhs 79,000. Started the journey with 30 lakhs. The highest point was 31.53 lakhs. Now it was down to 30.01, and now it is at 30.79. understood the importance of defense and offense. It is simple. When the market is going down day after day, it is time to become Rahul Dravid. And when it is going up, it's time to become Sehwag. Okay. When it is extended, caution. When it is extended on the upside, it's not going to keep going up, right? It has to pull back. So, caution. So, I'll try to play well and let's see how we will do it in the coming weeks. Yeah, don't lose money. And I just wanted to show my account. Yeah. Uh, so 26.75 plus 4.04 lakhs, that is 30.79. And this is the equity curve. So started with 30, got lucky, lost money, flat period. Now we started going up. Let's see. Let's hope that the market will be good in the coming weeks and we make money. But anything can happen. And I'm not a registered I'm not a SEBI registered professional. I'm not an expert. I am I am I'm not an expert. I am just, watching stuff on YouTube and reading books and trying to implement the strategies, whatever I'm learning on my portfolio, and I'm documenting the journey for educational purposes. Please do not copy or inspire from me. Please do your own research, see what is working in this process, in this journey, and what is not working, and be very critical. Yeah, do not lose your money at any cost. Be very careful. Take care, man. Peace and happy grind. I mean, happy trading. Take it easy.